Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Wix.com for a while now and you just want to add product reviews on this platform since product reviews build trust and help increase sales. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure everything is alright. Go and look for Wix.com in the search bar. After this, we're gonna tap on Wix.com. We're gonna go all the way to this website here, where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. After this is fully done, we're gonna go basically wait till it is refreshed so we can access the dashboard of the other store that we have. Since this one is about restaurant store or restaurant website, as you see there is food, explore, there is the catalog, there is the sales button. But for you guys, you will be able to see which is such all about. Okay, let's skip to dashboard here. Add inside details to your dashboard, prepare and choose to manage your site and all of this, totally fine. So you should go all the way to store products. Open App Market, then click apps and search for Wix product reviews. Okay, here we go. So as you see here, we have sales, we have apps. So we're gonna go to this app button. I believe I have this also on here. We're gonna go to App Market, okay. So choose professional solutions to power your Wix website, totally alright. We're gonna go and look for Wix. Wix product reviews. We have Google reviews. Did I type? Okay, Wix product reviews. You can also select the Google product reviews, it's totally fine. Professional e-commerce platform and all of this, product reviews. Selecting Google basically reviews is totally fine as well. So just go ahead and select whatever you want from this Wix platform. As you see guys, the Wix file share, we have the Google reviews and all of this information. Select WhatsApp that you really like and just install it. And that's basically it. Just enable the reviews, customize the review panel or display, moderate the reviews if you want to, then save and publish. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.